Transforming your scattered collection of smart security cameras into an airtight, unified surveillance command center without paying recurring cloud subscription fees usually means transitioning to an advanced, high-capacity, local smart hub. The Home Hub Pro, centralized control system for up to 24 REOLINK security cameras with 2 TB HDD, redefines comprehensive home defense by combining robust local storage, enterprise-grade data encryption, and high-performance wireless connectivity into a single standalone unit. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its centralized local processing architecture paired with Wi-Fi 6 readiness and bank-level AES 128 anti-theft encryption. Instead of struggling with fragmented security apps or vulnerable cloud subscriptions that expose your private footage to external servers, this system anchors your entire network locally, ensuring your video streams remain completely private, lag-free, and inaccessible to intruders even if the physical hardware is stolen. Performance and everyday versatility streamline monitoring across mixed property layouts, combining support for up to 24 total REOLINK devices, including up to 12 wired/PoE connections alongside wireless and battery-powered cameras or video doorbells. Capable of handling crystal-clear multi-device streaming up to 16 MP, the hub captures minute details without breaking a sweat. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by a pre-installed 2 TB hard drive expandable up to 16 TB for massive long-term archive capacity, a piercing 120 dB smart alarm siren with customizable alert sounds, and intelligent automated daily/weekly event reporting directly through the mobile app. Things to consider before you buy. Because the Home Hub Pro is engineered exclusively for the REOLINK ecosystem, it does not support third-party brand cameras or 4G LTE cellular models. Additionally, while it features flexible placement options, you will want to position it within a reliable range of your router or main cameras to maximize its high-speed Wi-Fi 6 data transmission. So who is this really for? This centralized security hub is an absolute home run for homeowners, property managers, and privacy-conscious tech users running a mixed array of REOLINK wired and wireless cameras who want subscription-free local recording. If you only own a single standalone Wi-Fi camera or rely entirely on third-party security ecosystems, a simpler single-camera setup or different platform architecture will better suit your needs. Is it worth the money? If you value zero monthly fees, a massive 2 TB expandable local storage vault, up to 16 TB, AES 128 privacy encryption, Wi-Fi 6 streaming performance, and seamless unified control for up to 24 cameras, it is a premier, cost-saving investment for total home security peace of mind.